How to use Gemini CLI with Cline. Want to unlock the full power of Gemini AI? You can pair Gemini CLI with Cline to get pro-level AI coding and automation inside your workflow. First, install Gemini CLI on your system and make sure it's connected to your Google account. Then, open Cline, your AI coding agent, and link it with Gemini as your preferred AI backend. Inside Cline, you can now use Gemini CLI to handle advanced tasks, from generating entire functions to debugging tricky errors, and even automating repetitive scripts. Cline sends your requests straight to Gemini, and you get clean, structured results instantly. By combining Cline with Gemini CLI, you unlock features like multi-step reasoning, code explanations, smarter refactoring, and project-wide assistance, way beyond basic AI prompts. And that's how to use Gemini CLI with Cline to unlock pro features for developers. Thanks for watching.